Assemble!
We are Team 19705. In this video, we're going to show you how to make your own silicone wheels. Add the pigment first. This amount should be just about right. Adding too much or too less, it won't significantly change the final color. Then pour in the silicone. For a wheel of this size, 20 milliliters is just the right amount. This must be mixed at a strict 1:1 ratio. Then, give it a good mix. Make sure it's mixed thoroughly. For one wheel, 3 to 4 minutes of stirring should be plenty. You'll know it's ready when you lift it up and the mixture flows back without any visible streaks. Once it's mixed, you can go ahead and pour it directly into the mold. Pour as slowly as possible to keep it from spilling out. Make sure to pour on a perfectly level surface. The silicone flows pretty slow in the mold. Wait for it to reach a uniform state naturally. Pour until it's level with the top of the mold. Wait a few moments after pouring. There might be some large air bubbles trapped in the silicone. The surface level will drop as the bubbles disappear. Just simply add some more silicone to fill it back up. Once you're done pouring, put it in the fridge for about 30 minutes to help get rid of those tiny bubbles. Once you take it out of the fridge, go ahead and heat it up. We're choosing to heat it up using the 3D printer's heat bed. This helps speed up the curing process. At 55 degrees Celsius, it takes about an hour and a half to cure. At 50 degrees Celsius, it takes 2 hours. At room temperature, it would take about 3 hours. To check if it's cured, just give it a little press. If it sticks to your finger, it's not ready yet. Once it's set, you can start demolding. Just pop out these plugs first, and then the whole wheel should come right out. It's best not to use the wheel right away. Let it sit for 24 hours to reach its full hardness. It's much softer than Vex rubber wheels, so it creates very little resistance when used on the intake.